Unfortunate neighbor, he's undercooked, eggs are a little scrambled, dependable, honest, funny, here he is.
Welcome to the Unfortunate Neighborhood, where unfortunately I give you the weather. Beard, it's been there. I don't know what you're talking about. You're being all weird about it. Oh, my alarms are going off. Alright, so waking up this morning, like I was saying last night, there's a Mesos discussion that's currently taking place. There's very low chance of a tornado. So the discussion is the leading edge of the small mesoscale, which moved out of northwest Texas and pivoted into northwest Oklahoma, continued to produce measured severe gusts, most recently in Grande County as of 10:30 Zulu. So it was like 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m. North of the area, the storms have gradually increased along the cold front, extending from southwest or southeast Kansas into north central Oklahoma. This line of storms is beginning to produce outflow as well. Unstable air mass remains ahead of both convective systems, and it appears the storms will emerge in central and northeastern Oklahoma. Damaging winds will remain the likely threats, although hail of 1+ inch is likely in the stronger course. So it's if there is going to be a tornado, it's going to be a weak tornado. So got hair in my mouth. I now know how my girlfriend feels. Yeah, so taking a look at the radar right now, nothing. I mean, Owasso is getting some 70+ mile an hour winds. Looking along the boundary, I mean, we definitely are getting some hail. If you're in the Tulsa area, no, that's not what I wanted. I got this. So 742. Oh. Yeah, so it's gonna be, honestly, let's take a look at I got my bait. Official. Yeah, so we can see this boundary getting pushed across. Man, I really hope somebody shut my phone off at work, because if not, some people are not going to be happy with me. But yeah, we can see this frontal boundary right here, right? We can see that getting pushed off to the side. So the way that it's looking, I'm not seeing anything tornadic. I'm not seeing anything that's other than a decent chunk of hail. Decent chunk of hail. Alright, that's all sorts of fucked up. Yeah. So, Big Cabin, Full, Claremore, Wasso, Collinsville, Skytook. Yeah, just some pretty severe thunderstorms, Jesus Christ. Yep. So, just some severe thunderstorms. Oklahoma City area looks fine. Stillwater looks fine. Y'all have a great day.